We guide you through how to remove a repost on TikTok quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is to open your TikTok app, go straight to your profile, then tap the reposted video you want to remove. If you can't find it there, head to your repost section by tapping the two arrows icon on your profile. Once you open the reposted video, look to the right side of the screen and tap the share arrow just like you did when you're reposting it. After that, a menu will appear and you should see the option that says Remove Repost. Tap it once and the repost will instantly remove from your profile and from your followers' feeds. Keep in mind there's no confirmation pop-up, so make sure you are removing the correct video. And that's it. You've successfully undone your repost in just a few seconds.